before our very eyes.
And the music take control.
The rhythm of the heart.
We are together, never apart. And the music take control.
The rhythm of the heart.